Yesterday, after Omenana Defenders Shabbat service, what you saw me doing was having a good time with a song by Shaggy himself. Today, you are going to see me propounding on Omenana, the Israelite religion. A question came up recently, and Igbo actually threw up the question. He said, are there any traces of the names of the patriarchs, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, and the others in Igbo folklore? Interesting question. Interesting question. Because the term Igbo, Igbo, itself does not appear in any Igbo folklore to the best of my knowledge. But interestingly, the names of the patriarchs of Israel, are manifest in Igbo folklores. Well-born Igbos from responsible homes, homes that retain culture, are aware that the term Kemgbe Eri, translated to English, this means in the time of Eri, is well established in the Igbo language and worldview. This means very old times. And ladies and gentlemen, there is no Igbo that has borne the name Eri since at least 50 years. Yet, the name Eri is well established in the Igbo language. So this answers his questions. This answers the questions of the young man that raised the question. By the way, Eri was a son of Gad, son of Jacob. For people like us that have invested enormous resources, time, money, establishing what is so clearly the only truth, which is that the largest concentration of the Israelite people today emanated from that land by the banks of the Niger, the Hebrew republics that some may call Igbo land. For those of us that have spent enormous resources and time establishing it as a fact, so that the Hebrew people will stop wandering, so that they will be sure, so that they will know where to go and pick culture and religion. Some of these questions provoke some of us, but we have been instructing ourselves, teaching ourselves, nurturing ourselves to become patient. Well-established world religions like Judaism, Christianity, and Islam are taught in universities, high schools, and primary schools all over the world. Jainism, Hinduism, Buddhism are all taught. Why are they taught? They are taught so that adherents of the religion will know their religions. Since the Europeans colonized Igbos, Omenana has not been taught, or was not taught, until and Omenana Defenders, the group I'm his Secretary General, took up the challenge of reconnecting the Hebrew people, back to their ancestral faith. By the way, again, Omenana was the religion that Moses practiced. If you are in doubt, check out Deuteronomy 6:4, preferably the Igbo version. Read it calmly. Shalom. Thank you. Dalo. Have a great day.